Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back with my daily pages from the Happy Planner that I use for work. And this week, because Monday was Memorial Day and I actually work for a US contact center even though I live in Canada, I didn't have any meetings or anything. It was just catching up on some things. And then I'm only really going to need note pages or daily pages for Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday I'm not working, and then Friday I don't have too many meetings. So I will only be doing 2 pages this week, and this week I'm going to be using the friendship sticker book. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I think her YouTube name is just scribble.yt. Thank you so much. That was so kind of you. And I thought with that as well to use cool to be kind. So there's a running theme of kindness and friendship going through these pages this week. Let's get started. Okay, so this is a completely new sticker book to me. I haven't even done a flip through or anything. And I mean, this sticker book has been out for a while, so I don't feel like I really need to do a flip through of this. So the first thing I'm going to do is put something in that top corner. Just don't know what yet. Oh, I love these. These are great. I love the colors. They're very bright for me, but I really love them. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this one. Now the thing is, one of the things that I always like to do is that, you know, the fact that there are so many different types of sticker books through the Happy Planner, and I am all about using what you have. You don't have to use something just because it's seasonal or whatever, or made for a certain type of planner. You guys know me. I am all about using something for any type of sticker book. So let me just look up my schedule actually for pulling it up on my computer now. My schedule for Tuesday, and yes, it is a little busy. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, okay, I think what I'm gonna do is take one of these boxes. I think it will have to be, I think this is always the tough part with me, is finding the right box. I'm going to keep my hand here. I like this Today sticker. 1, 2, 3, 4. This Today sticker is perfect. And I'm going to, oops, white out where it says reminders, because I always use this section for my meetings. So let's put the Today sticker there. Then I want to put this one here. And then see if I can't put another box down here for a to-do list. Let's see what I can find. Those are cool. I really love this. Oh, I had like a great idea. Let's see if those will fit. I go down straight. Then will there be room if I do this? Yes. Oh, I love that. Then let's put a rainbow. Actually, let's go find all of the decal first. The decor. There's rainbows there. Quotes. Okay. I think think what I want to do is find these. And find a rainbow. And then find you can hear Lucy. I'm gonna take this. Keep going. Actually, I don't like that there. I want as much decor as I can in that area. Or what I can fit in there anyway. This is hard, especially when I'm not that familiar with the sticker book. I'm gonna put this gold here, and I'll put a different rainbow here because you can never have too many. Then where's that long? That's pretty. I feel like I saw something else though, like thicker versions of that. There. This one. Across like this. And then find a quote to go on top of that. Oh, okay. Be happy, be bright, be you. Hi, Lucy. She's gonna go sleep under my desk now. So something to cover that, something to cover that.
She didn't want to come with me.
Are you staying under my desk? She totally is. That's okay. All right, so I'm gonna put the plan, and then in purple today. This is a very colorful spread even for me, but I think I'm going to challenge myself to use this book all of next week. All right, so that is Plan With Me number 1. Plan With Me number 2 is going to be with Cool to Be Kind. Again, this is a sticker book that I struggle with. Okay, for today. The reason that I struggle with it is because it is so colorful and there's so many colors. I always have a hard time trying to regulate that, if that makes sense. So, oh, okay. Oh, gorgeous stickers. What I think I need is a box, because Wednesday is, oh my God, Wednesday is crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 meetings now. 10. Ugh. Oh, hello. You okay, puppy? So 10 meetings. I don't know. I'll be okay. 10 meetings. It's mostly because I have coachings to catch up on, and the thing is, it's going to be so busy that day. All right, so yeah, Wednesday is going to be so busy on the cues that I may need to even cancel these coachings. So let's just find a box that I can place there. I like these really big boxes, but look at, like, it's way too big for my daily page. So that might not work. I put 1 sticker down. 1. Doing so well. Do I want to do it as boxes though? That's the thing. Do I want boxes, or am I okay to just write on here? I think I might just have to be okay with writing on here. So I'm gonna white this out, white this out, and white this out. I'm going to definitely put a to-do list down here. And I know I totally could have done rainbow with this, but I think I'm okay with it not being full-on rainbow. Sometimes it's just, I just want a big quote. Like this one I feel like is massive, but might work for the day because I am waiting to hear back about a job that I had applied for. There you go. I am waiting to hear back about a job that I applied for. It's still within WW, but it's definitely out of my comfort zone applying for this job because it is actually what I went to school for. And well, I don't know. I don't feel like lemons today. Maybe another time. I like the bird. I'm gonna use the bird somewhere. But yeah, it just, I'm gonna take the today. But yes, I am applying for a job that is outside of my comfort zone, but it is what I went to school for. So it is slightly nerve-wracking because I kind of just fell into customer service. And that's what I've just been doing, more so because I mean I like to say that I'm good at it, but also it has been what's worked for me all of this time. So you know, I like being able to work from home and be able to to still work from home and be full-time, and then to have been promoted to supervisor it's amazing. But I've always wanted to, what I've always wanted to do really with my education, because if you guys don't know, I do have a master's in educational psychology, and I want to apply to work with the team that actually looks at all the behavior science that, you know, is relevant and the things that we use in the actual workshops. So I have applied for that position. Wish me luck. Oh, I can't believe I've just told you guys all that, because now I'm gonna peel this up here, because now if it doesn't happen, but well, okay, put it out there for the whole world to know, and my supervisor is completely 100% supportive, which I so appreciate. So okay, I'm just babbling on here. All right. I feel like it's such a huge mishmash of color, but I think it should work. I was gonna put some of these, but nah. Do things that fill your cups. Is there anything else that I want to put down? No, I'm gonna leave it. All right, so that is the second plan with me. Cool to be Kind is a challenging sticker book for me, but I always like to try it, and I like to challenge myself. So that is the second plan with me. So there are the two plan with me's, the first one with friendship and the second one with cool to be kind. And I didn't necessarily mean for them to match, but I mean, when you open the spread up like that, it actually doesn't look too bad opened up together like that. I do love the boxes of this one, and I do love the big quote here. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.